Jinan Changtai CNC Technology Co., Limited is a professional company located in Jinan, Shandong Province. It is engaged in the research, development, production and service of laser cutting machine, laser welding machine, laser marking machine, laser cleaning machine. Laser cutting machine is a kind of CNC laser metal cutting equipment with high quality. It is equipped with different powers from 1 kilowatt to 30 kilowatts. For cutting metal sheets and metal tubes, pipes, with different thicknesses, we adopt international advanced producing technologies to improve our machines. Our machines are widely used in sheet metal processing, aviation, aerospace, electronics, automobiles, metallurgical equipment, craft gifts, advertising and other manufacturing industries. These machines are not only successful sales in China and have been exported to more than 120 countries and regions in the world, including American, Germany, Spain, Italy, Russia, South Korea, India, the United Arab Emirates, South Africa, Australia, Mexico, Vietnam, and etc. Our company aims to help customers succeed by providing products in leading technology and reliable quality, and to pursue customers' maximum satisfaction is our service tenet. Welcome to visit JNCT Laser Company for business negotiation, investigation and guidance.